Welcome back, everyone. I'm Brent, that's my dog Goldie, and we're off on another fun car camping adventure. It's been 7 weeks since we've been doing any car camping. Why is that, Goldie? The car's been in the shop. We'll get into more of that later, but now let's get heading for our camping spot, and we're heading for Iowa. Little look at the main drag in Holcomb, Minnesota. Not a real big town, only a few hundred people, but a really neat town. Right here on the right where the green roof is a little variety store. If you're ever in this town, make sure to check it out. They have a little bit of everything there. Pretty cool. Even though Goldie and I only have the rest of today, it's getting to be about 3:30 in the afternoon. We only have the rest of today to go do some camping, but since we just got the car back yesterday from having all the work done, and we haven't been camping in so long, I found a spot that was close to home. I just used Google Maps to look around and found it. So that's where we're on our way to now. I'm super pumped. I can't wait to show you the spot once we get there. South Bear Creek. Little campground down there. I think you gotta pay to camp there. That's not a spot I'm willing to stay. Not too much further. Coming through this little town here. Building. Well, here's where I was thinking about camping. There's all kinds of people here. Well, this spot will not work for Goldie and I. Miss camping. I'm so excited to be out camping though. We're gonna run across the road. There's another spot across the road, so let's go over there and take a seat. Campers right there too. Dang. Well, that is a real a spot down the road about a mile that we can go camp at. That's a free spot as well. So let's go down the road. Goldie, we're getting close to our camping spot, okay, honey? That way you can get out and run around. I'm so excited. Here's this other spot. Yo's pickup come cruising by. Hopefully there's nobody in this one. This one's kind of steep. A little steep to get down into. Oh, look at that. There's nobody out. Get out. Oh yeah, for sure. Let's definitely get out and check out this place. I'm so excited to be here. We have camped at this spot before. That's why I came back here. But check it out. It's nice. It's free. You can hear the water in the background. Just on the other side down over there, there's some water. Let's go over there and check it out. Yeah, we got a little creek right here. Nice. Come on, Goldie. Here you go, down through the water. It's wonderful. Nice and quiet. Listen to the birds and the water. This is great. Thirsty? Buckets, I guess so. Is that good? I'm so excited to be out camping. It's been so long since the car's been in the shop. So, it was in the shop for 7 weeks. We had some work done. I had some work on the suspension done. Had a new motor put in. Had a windshield put in. Had them lights wired up and put on and everything. So now we're ready to do some car camping again. It was a very, very long time. And let me tell you, when you can't go camping and you absolutely love being outside and doing this kind of stuff, it was like torture being home that whole time. But here we are. We're out enjoying the outdoors again. And I absolutely love it. So thank you for joining us on this adventure. And if you guys are enjoying it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate that. I'm going to get things set up with the car. Get my chair and table out. And I'm not going to get a whole lot of things out, just a few things since we're only going to be here for 1 night. I was able to park the car fairly level. And I did find a little bit of shade. Not a whole lot, but at least there's a little bit with that tree there kind of keeping some of the sun out. And there's a whole lot of bugs around. So I am going to go ahead and get my window shades out and get them put on. All right, let's go ahead and get our window screens out. Since there's so many bugs. Jeez Louise. I just keep my window screens right in this little plastic tote. It works wonderful. Keeps them organized, that way I know where they're at every time. Here's a screen for the back too. I'm gonna put this on as well, but I'm gonna do my side ones first. And I'll leave links in the description for both this screen for the back that's magnetic and the screens that I use for the side. Okay, we got one of each, a large one and a smaller one. Let's get these put on. They go on a certain way, just make sure you got them the right way. Slide them guys on. And if you're doing car camping or truck camping, van camping, whatever type of camping you're in, any type of vehicle really, these screens are absolutely wonderful. Just like that, they go on, nothing to it. Just like that, the window screens are on. Now I can roll the windows down, not worry about any of the Goldie. Oh, she's having a blast just running around, having so much fun. And here's the screen that I use for the back when I want to leave this open. Throw this on too. Nice thing with the screen for the back that I use, it goes right around these shocks that help hold this up. Now around to this side, put that around the shock. There we go, just like that. We have our screens on. Works absolutely wonderful, especially on buggy days like today. And it's really hot, it's about 80 degrees out right now, so I'm gonna get the windows rolled down and then Goldie and I are gonna relax for a little while. I need to get my chair set up. Nice thing with this zippable screen, it allows me to have my table on the outside even with the screen on so I can utilize it. There we go, chair's all put together. These things are super handy and compact, comfortable too. I'll leave a link in the description for these as well. Need to go ahead and grab my table. Super convenient little table. I wish it was a little taller, but when you're in a Prius or in a car camping and you don't have a lot of room, extremely convenient. And yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for this. And with all the bugs and flies and mosquitoes that are probably going to be later, it's time we get some bug repellent. I have spray, but I'm going to hold off on that and I'm going to use these coils, mosquito coils. Work. You just got to be careful with them when you take them out of the package. They like to break sometimes. And even if they do break, you can still use them. It's not a big deal. Probably not the best to breathe, don't you think? Here I'm lighting it right over my face so I can breathe it all in. There we go, that's going. I'm going to set that on here. Oh shoot, then I broke it. Dang it. Well, I'll just set it on my table and we'll just have to keep an eye on it and turn it ever so often. That'll work. That'll take a long time to burn down anyway. Shoot. Oh well. I know it's not much of a camping spot, but that's okay. When you haven't been camping in 7 weeks because your car's been in the shop, it doesn't matter where you go, you just want to go. And that was the point I was at today when I was putting my car all back together, cleaning everything out, vacuuming it. And I looked at Goldie and I'm like, Goldie, we need to go camping. And her tail started wagging and she was so excited. I'm like, yep, we need to go camping. So loaded everything back up and here we are. We're only about an hour from home, which is super convenient because today is a Sunday and I have to work tomorrow. So it's nice that we're close. I can get up early in the morning and head in. But I think I'm just going to enjoy this little peace and quiet. She's having so much fun just running around. She's soaking wet. She's been down in the water playing. So fun watching Goldie. She's just chasing after flies and bees and bugs. I get a real kick out of watching her as she hops along. It's so cute. Ah, funny. So much fun. Love her. I almost think I'm going to throw in the towel on this. It's hot, it's super hot, and the bugs are terrible. Even with that little coil that I'm using, definitely not enough. Holy buckets, this is terrible. Hi. Well, we tried going car camping. I don't know if it was me getting a little overexcited because we haven't had the car in so long, but it's really hot. There's a whole bunch of bugs out there, which is terrible, isn't it, Goldie? So, I'm going to call this a somewhat failed attempt at car camping. Maybe a little overexcited, Goldie. But we had fun. Anyway, we had fun. You got to run around and play in the water for a while, so that was fun. But, well, next week we'll try again, and that one we definitely will not fail at. Where we're going, I don't know yet, because we just got the car back, but we will be going somewhere. So thank you for following along. We appreciate it. Until we see you again next time, peace out.